Thinking about bringing AI into your Kansas City business, but not sure where to begin? It's simpler than you think to get started, and I'll tell you exactly how. Your first step is to pinpoint your biggest business pain points, asking yourself where repetitive tasks, data analysis, or customer service bottlenecks slow you down. Next, clearly define your top 3 to 5 business goals for the coming year. This critical assessment helps you identify which AI tools truly move the needle towards cost reduction, improved customer service, sales growth, or operational streamlining. AI is excellent at tackling common operational frustrations that teams face daily. Think about manual data entry, long customer service response times, or inefficient scheduling. It can also revolutionize inventory management by improving demand prediction, enhance lead qualification and follow-up, and streamline document processing for contracts and invoices, freeing your team for more strategic work. For expert guidance, consider consulting local AI specialists like 360 Automation AI. We cut through technical hype, recommending solutions tailored to your business size and budget, and translate complex AI into practical business terms without you becoming an expert. When you're ready to implement, start small with a low-risk pilot project. Focus on just one specific area with clear boundaries and measurable results, aiming to show value within 1 to 3 months to build team confidence. Before you even begin, decide what success looks like by establishing clear, quantifiable metrics. Track key performance indicators such as time savings in hours per week, tangible cost reductions, and improvements in process speed or accuracy. Don't forget to monitor customer satisfaction scores and the direct revenue impact. Beyond numbers, also measure team satisfaction, stress levels, and their availability for more strategic tasks through regular feedback sessions. The most effective AI approach prioritizes your actual business needs over just adopting flashy technology. This thoughtful step-by-step implementation, starting small and carefully measuring results before scaling, minimizes risk while maximizing value. It builds team confidence and prevents expensive mistakes. For a personalized, strategic consultation and a practical AI implementation plan tailored for your Kansas City metro business, contact us today. Link in the bio.